everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to do a video that I don't do a ton of, but that I love watching, and so I thought maybe I'd start doing a couple of them. I am going to do a haul video from the dollar store. I know I see a lot of dollar store hauls. That seems very popular right now, but I happen to be in there because it was near where I was working out and I needed to get some Valentine's Day cards for my son's little friends, where I have to give them lots of cards, and there's a ton of them, and I was like, I'll go to the dollar store and I'll find cards. And then I ended up getting a whole bucket load of stuff accidentally. What you gonna do? But it was all stuff I needed, and I thought it'd be fun to share. So the number one biggest hit of what we got at the dollar store was, you can see it's already been used, we got Play-Doh. So I got him 2 Play-Dohs, they were $1 each, and then I got him this Play-Doh set. You put little molds in there and you press them out and it comes out in fun shapes. So it's got little molding knives and things for the clay. And he loves this, he's obsessed with it. This was a really big hit. I don't know if that's a good price on Play-Doh, $1 a tub. It's probably, you could probably get it cheaper in sets, is my bet. But I've never let him have Play-Doh in the house before. And he's got friends who have Play-Doh at their house, and he really, really wants it. Because he's the kind of kid that will rub Play-Doh in carpeting, he'll stick it in electrical outlets, he'll stick it in lamp sockets. So I've really been hesitant, but he so wanted it. So we're going to test out with just the 2 little containers, and that was a good way to start. But I thought this set was actually a really good price. For just $1, you get the little knives, you get all of the different little clay molds. You got 2 different ones, and they each have like 6 different shapes on them, so you get 12 shapes. And then this, you put the Play-Doh in here, press down, and it comes out. This is a good find, I gotta say. And then I'm gonna have a party of toddlers. It's a terrifying idea of thinking about like 6 to 10 3-year-olds in my tiny, tiny house. But I want to do that for little dude, so we're going to try to throw that together sometime this month. We shall see when that actually happens. So one of the things I was going to the store to find at the dollar store was just cheap little, for $1, you get 5 different paintbrushes. And I thought that they can play with them. Not everybody's going to want to do them all at once, although it occurred to me that maybe I need to go back and get another one, because I should probably have more than 5, but that was a good deal. And then I also got little poster paint, and they're sparkly. Can you see that? They sparkle. Sparkle paint. Because part of our it was going to be a Valentine's themed party. I don't know when it's coming up. We're going to paint rocks and leave them around town, because that's something really fun that several of the towns around here do, is you paint a rock, you leave the town name, and then it's a wandering rock, and you paint a fun image on it, and then you go hide it somewhere in a park, and people find it and they can move it around. And it's a fun thing that people do in the area, and I really like that. And it's been on my list to do. I keep meaning to buy the paint. And I'm like, you know, the dollar store was so nearby, I'll just grab it there. And I love that it's sparkly, because I think the little monkeys will appreciate that. And then I got this. I don't know how good this is going to be. My sister buys bulbs from the dollar store. And I don't know how good her track record is with those actually coming up. Not that she's a bad gardener, but more I don't know what the quality is. But this is a Shade Area Wildflower Blend. Wait. Presentation hands. Boop. Boop. And I'm excited about that because my front door is all shady. And I've tried to grow hydrangeas and all sorts of things, and it's just not growing. I've tried to do those pretty bellflowers. Nothing's working. So I thought, okay, instead of just killing all of those expensive plants, I'm gonna try seeding some flowers in my little pots and see if those pop up. And even if just a couple do, for $1, I mean, it's a really good price. It says $2.99 on there. Don't pay attention. I paid $1. But I'm hoping that works, because I want some flowers in my little front door area, because it's pretty. So something I do is I keep certain receipts around, things I think I might return, or stuff that I'm using for around the house for DIY projects or work receipts. And I don't have, right now it's all in a drawer, and it's a terrifying drawer. It's such a scary drawer that I just haven't gone through it yet. And I'm like, I need to. It's like 4 months of receipts. I should look at it. Tax season is upon us. So I got this little sparkly bag. Oh, it's pink, my favorite color, and it's a nice little neutral back. And it says it's a pencil pouch, but that's perfect for the amount of receipts I need. That way it'll keep me from keeping too many because it's smaller. And I was gonna get a big full-size one. I thought, oh no, that's not gonna go well for me. I will just keep all of them because there's not that many I need to keep. There's just some here and there. So I thought this was a really good deal. It's a little zipper pouch, and I really like it because you can attach it. If you have a binder or anything, or it just, you can stick your finger through it and entertain yourself, as my son does. My finger fits, it's stuck, ah! I hear this frequently throughout my day. So I thought that was a really good price for $1. And then what I went in there for were these little Valentine's Day cards, and I thought these were so cute. I'm gonna pull them out and show you. Can you see those? And this has more than enough for his little class buds. I think maybe you're supposed to pick candy with it. It's one of the things. I never went to public school, and I certainly never went to like organized classes per se where you would give out cards. And I don't know what the rules are for giving out cards. Can you give out candy? Can you give out candy with nuts? Let me know. I don't actually know. But I thought I might get a bag of, I'm going to ask the teacher first if I should bring something sugary. I'm probably going to make homemade cookies and give them to his little classmates because I don't like most candy bars, I have to admit. And then in that theme, because I don't want to wash dishes when I have 10 little people over, I got a pack of 18 for $1 of just little heart plates. They're cute. They say love. And I thought we'd do like little tea party food, just little stuff. Toddlers, 3-year-olds don't eat that much. At least not when they're playing, they get distracted. But that way I'm not having to do dishes. I still forget what to do for cups. I'm looking for something that can hold hot tea or hot cocoa, but that's small, and then I can just toss or recycle. Because, little tiny hands, I'm not gonna buy 10 sippy cups for this. So let me know, what do you think? What's a good kind of disposable cup that is toddler size? It's hard to find, right? Okay, one of my favorite buys at the dollar store, sponges. I was down to my last sponge. It was horrifying. I love, you get, how many does it say? 6-pack. You get 6 for $1. And these, they last as long as the regular sponge, right? You want to kind of toss out your sponge pretty regularly. And this is a great deal. I love having sponges under my sink. You just never know what I'm gonna need one for. I might want to get a fresh one and scrub up the countertop once in a while if something's really stuck on. And it's just nice to be able to, when I want a fresh sponge, grab one out. Sounds dirty, doesn't it? I don't know. There's something about the word sponge. I don't know why that sounds dirty. I have dementia mind. Very clearly. So another thing is, I do like freelance work and stuff, and so I have to keep all my freelancey forms and things and something. Right now, they basically just pile up because I don't have a desk right now. I'm debating whether I should get one. I don't know. I work a lot just, at my dining table or in my bed. And so I have very limited space here and a very limited budget. So I'm like, do I want to do a desk that my kid is probably going to just tear stuff up on? Probably not. But I got these for $1 each, and they are great. They're just going to hold all my little forms and stuff that I need to keep straight. I like the pattern. This one's a pretty floral pattern. So I thought that these were good ways to just hold the stuff that I need. So I'm glad I got those. They were necessary, and I like that they're cute. You really have to dig through at the dollar store. A lot of them are just ugly primary colors, but these were like 2 of the only ones of these, and I thought that they were really cute and handsome. And it's easy to pay more than $1 for each of these, even though that seems absurd to me because it's just something that holds your stuff, right? Why pay so much for it? Okay, I'm gonna do these. These are, and you're thinking, these are the boringest haul ever, but I love getting this kind of stuff. Pink gloves for cleaning. You might notice I clean a lot. Well, yes, I do, because, I live with a toddler, or a toddler lives with me, depending on how you look at it. And I like to clean. I like a tidy house, well, a clean house. A tidy house you kind of have to give up on as a parent of a young child. But a clean house I appreciate. And somehow my gloves are always wandering off. I wonder why. I wonder if tiny little toddler hands hide them. I found one of his hiding places recently underneath my bathroom sink, and he stored all this stuff, toys, clothes, socks that I was missing. Don't tell him I found that out because I want to be able to keep gathering things from there and finding them. He's just going to assume that the cabinet gremlins took his stuff after he stole mine. So I got a yellow pair because my yellow pair, I like to color coordinate. You know, if I'm going to do like toilet cleaning, that's a set kind of glove. I'm not going to do dishes or countertops with the same gloves. So $1 each for these. I get mine in medium. They never have small. I think small probably would fit better, but whatever. Medium goes up longer on my sleeve, so that's handy. Super handy. Use that all the time, I gotta say. And this one I bought, this was simply an entertainment purchase. I thought it was really funny. It's a Valentine wall decal. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. I kind of have a thing for robots. Don't ask me why. I have a thing for robots. I think robots are entertaining imagery. I like the idea of robots, of building robots. I just think it's entertaining. I have a friend that they don't really build robots, but they know how to build robots, and they help like college students and high school students learn the basics of the mechanics behind building robots. And I always think that's so cool. But I'm not supposed to talk about them on the vlog because they're very sensitive about the privacy. So I just know someone that does that kind of stuff, and I think that's really cool. And so I always think, oh, robot stuff. And I thought this was so cute. I don't even need the Valentine stuff. I just want the robot stuff. So I really like this. I think these are cute. These would be fun little stickers. And for $1, I gotta say that's a great deal. I probably will hang them up for a short little while in my son's room. Because I'm not ready to paint that room yet. So it's kind of, you know, holding off until maybe the summer when the weather's better and we'll put on the windows. Because right now it's really hideous green. And I realized, did I move up here almost 2 years ago? I think it's going to be 2 years soon. Yeah, in May or June. Yeah, wow. And I still haven't painted his bedroom because it's really a playroom and a store area because he co-sleeps with me, right? He's only 3. So I haven't put a lot of effort into that room yet. You know, I built him a little shelving unit, and that's about what we've done. You know, I put all his toys in there and organized some of fun stuff, but that's about it. I guess he got a chalkboard. That's something fun. So that is my Dollar Tree haul. What are your favorite Dollar Tree finds? I find I frequently go in there for just little household items like a pair of gloves or my sponges. Sometimes I buy dish soap in there. And it's just handy because there's frequently a dollar store near, like one of my grocery stores that I go to there is near it, and my gym is near a dollar store. So it's just handy to kind of bop over. Oh, excuse me. I think something, it's been warming up. It's like the highs and the low, or in the high 40s, low 50s lately, and I think something's blooming because I have been sneezing all day. I don't know what is up with that. Excuse me. Oh. So I love doing hauls. I think it's so much fun. I'm not big into like mindless consumerism, just buying stuff to do a haul, or just buying lots of stuff. I really try to get lots of mileage out of everything I buy, whether it's a yoga mat or a t-shirt or a car or an appliance or, you know, whatever little thing I'm buying. But, you know, throughout the year, there's always little things, sometimes big things I need to buy. And I love sharing that. I love talking about it. I think it's fun, right? I know I watch haul videos because I'm like, oh, I'd like to order that. Oftentimes when I see a haul video, I'm like, no, they're out of what I wanted. I was reading a girl's blog post. She was talking about her most comfortable pants. I think from H&M maybe. And I am always looking for a comfortable pair of pants because I just have the hardest time finding pants that fit me correctly. You know, I guess you're supposed to be straight. You aren't allowed to have curves to wear pants, jeans. And so I clicked on this link. I thought, woo, a comfortable pair of jeans. Yeah. They were sold out. I was so disappointed. Because I'm always hunting. I really am. I went to Target the other day with my son because I was trying to look for bunny rabbit ear headbands for him and me. Because we like to dress up in like animal headbands and do fun games. And I perused the general jeans section. I thought, oh man, I just need to find something comfortable. That's all I need. So I hope you enjoy these. Feel free and check out my Patreon page for awesome exclusive kind of parenting, self-care, fun, saucy, silly, educational, all sorts of stuff are tossed in there that is just fun things for me to be able to share. Feel free to check out my books in the links, description box. I'm not sure what the part, that was my drumming, but yeah, that's the music you get. So until next time, thank you all so much. Subscribe and follow along if you haven't, and between this video and the next, I'll see you on Instagram.